Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is the Subscriber Sunday video where subscribers send in photos that I include at the end of the video from things that they're proud of in their yard. If you're interested in sending in photos, this is the email address right here. I had a few, but not as many as we have had send in photos. There at the very end, I have some photos before that are from the J.C. Ralston Arboretum. And the next Subscriber Sunday is going to be a question and answer. So if you have a question that you would like answered, or maybe I'll know it, maybe I won't, leave it in the description of this video. Just leave your question there, and when I do the next Subscriber Sunday video, which will be 2 Sundays from now, I'll try to go through that list, and I don't know how many questions I'll get or whether I'll be able to get to all of them. If I don't get to yours in that video, I'll come back to this video and try to answer a couple if I know the answers. Sometimes I do and sometimes I don't. I got a crazy amount of projects going on here at my house. I think this week I've probably put in 50 pieces, maybe more, and I've got things that have just arrived at the nursery that I actually ordered in from other places for this project. I've started digging out the paths for my sidewalk over here. I said I was going to pine straw it and leave it that way for a little while, but I'm just going to go, let's just go for it. Go ahead and get the sidewalks in over there. And so lots and lots of things coming up here in the next couple weeks on this home landscaping project. And also the grass is now dead at the garden center from when I had shot that video a couple weeks ago saying I had sprayed that. So that thing is actually ready to landscape as well. I just got to figure out what's going in there, and I need to get a sign ordered, a new sign ordered for the garden center as well. So thank you very much for watching and participating and all those kinds of things. And I think the channel's somewhere, 18,000 subscribers now. So thank you very much for that, and thanks for participating. And leave a question down below if there's something you would like for me to answer, and I'll try to answer it. Thanks for watching.